Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Lexus RX. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include Premium Plus package, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, heated front seats, and navigation system.